Hey there, Michael Church. We got a great Ask a Ninja question from Brent in Smithville, Missouri. He has a house at the bottom of a hill, and his house takes on a lot of water, and what he wants to know is, should he install 2 sump pumps or just 1? I'll give you another hint. He also has a part of the house separated by a footer. Stay tuned. Okay, Brent, that is a great question. But before I answer your question, I just want to mention that we're still doing our giveaway. So at the end of the video, stay tuned, and I'm going to have a question for you all to answer. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also answer the question down below to be entered to win this month's prize, which is a free humidity reader. So Brent, let's get into your question. Number 1, all right? If you're taking on a lot of water, you should maybe consider installing 2 sump pumps in the same basin. You don't actually have to have 2 sump pumps in 2 separate basins if your crawl space is kind of small. Now, if you have a large crawl space and you have more than 140 linear feet, we always recommend a sump pump and a basin every 140 linear feet. But you've got another problem. You've got an add-on, so you basically have a part of your house, maybe a bonus room or a bedroom, that was added on after the building of the home. So you have a footer that separates that part of the house from the main living space. So in that instance, we would also recommend a sump pump and a basin in that section of the crawl space if you can't tie the footer drain together. So if for some reason the French drain from the add-on can't be tied in with the French drain of the main part of the crawl space, then absolutely you want to put a separate sump pump and basin in that area. But back to my original statement, you can always put 2 sump pumps in 1 basin if you're taking on a lot of water. So those are some great questions, Brent, and we hope that answered your question for you. Remember, you can just put 1 sump pump and basin in, and if you find that thing's running all the time, you can add a second one in the basin if the basin is big enough to accept 2 sump pumps. So, Brent, I really appreciate you writing in to Ask a Ninja, and if you all have a question about Ask a Ninja, please be sure to find it on crawlspaceninja.com. So now to this month's question. What type of sump pump do you have installed in your crawl space? What brand is it? Is it a Zoller or is it a Flowtech or what? So answer the question down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell us what kind of sump pump you have, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.